And your legs are going to bend, knees up, rock side to side. Feels so good. And as soon as you're ready, you're going to extend both legs out wide. Just like gravity, do the work right here. Can be fun to bend one knee, see that? And then bend the other. It's kind of like a Spider-Man move. What you can do too is open the leg out to the side and fully straighten it down, up and around, yes. Experiment with your hips. And then come